Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGG and this is my kitchen, where I'll be teaching you how to make affordable restaurant quality foods or better. So guys, tune in and do not click from this channel because it's about to get real in a minute. Okay guys, today on the chopping block we got mayonnaise. You can use any type of mayonnaise you want to, but this is what we're going to be making. We're making us some mayonnaise fried chicken. That's right, first time ever. And I'm going to be using these chicken, and it's going to be the juiciest mayonnaise fried chicken on YouTube or in the world. I'm just messing with you. Anyway, let me show you some of these ingredients. You can use Hellmann's or you can use any type of mayonnaise. Don't use Miracle Whip. Just don't use Miracle Whip, okay? You can use the olive oil one or whatever kind of mayonnaise you want to use, but don't use the one that got the sweetness to it, alright? Alright, now in this bag I got 2 cups of flour. Alright, then I have a half a teaspoon of sage. I have a half a teaspoon of white pepper. I don't know if you can see that, but that's white pepper right there. This right here is some Zeteran's Creole seasoning. I put that in there. I put a teaspoon of that in there. I put a half a teaspoon of these pink sea salt. I put a tablespoon, not tablespoon, but a teaspoon of granulated garlic. And I put a tablespoon of lemon pepper in this bag. And also you're going to need 2 packages of Sazon. Alright? So, let me scoop that out the way. And this optional, I'm going to squeeze some lemon juice on mine after it get done frying. And by the way, the flour is self-rising flour, guys. It's self-rising flour. And it's a generic brand, alright? So don't come at me. Okay? Alright, first thing we want to do is take these Sazon. Sprinkle that in there. Alright, and we're going to mix that in here. And what this mayonnaise does, like if you ever eaten some chicken and it was kind of dry, okay, mayonnaise ain't nothing but oil and eggs. That's all that is. So all it's going to do is keep it moist. Alright, now for best results, you want to do this like for about, I don't know, 4, not even that. I say 2 hours to 24 hours. Alright, that's that on that. Let me wash this hand off. Alright, I'm going to take this mayonnaise. I'm going to grab me about 1, 2 heaping spoon. So about a tablespoon and about 3 tablespoons pretty much. Alright. So I'm going to go ahead and mix this up together. Mayonnaise fried chicken. The juiciest mayonnaise fried chicken. Alright. Let me take this glove off. Put that in the garbage. Come over here. Shake these seasoning up in this bag. Get crazy with it. Now if you want it really spicy, you can put you some cayenne pepper in it. Now all I'm going to do is just take this with this hand because I'm going to use this glove for when I take it in and put it in the fryer. So I normally take like 1 at a time because the mayonnaise tends to stick to the side. Stick it up like that. and just complete the process. I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of these. I'll leave them in the bag too for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then we'll take them over there. See you guys over there in a minute. Okay guys, I am back in about 2 to 3 minutes. I'm just gonna go ahead and start dropping these chicken. Shake them off. Another thing you want to do when you cooking this chicken, you want to like put them in there slowly. You know, these are chicken breasts. The reason why I do the chicken breast because I'm showing you how juicy the mayonnaise really does make your chicken super juicy. Alright guys, we're going to let that cook up about just 15-20 minutes of the small chicken breast. About 15 minutes at most. And I'll tell you what we'll be doing next. In a minute. We'll plate them up in a minute. Okay guys, I think these about ready. Go ahead and take a look. Yep, that's how they look. They almost ready. I want to fry just a little bit more harder. That's been like 11 minutes. So I'm going to let them go for about a good 4 more minutes. Take them out, set them up, and show you how it looks then in a minute. Okay guys, I am back. Here's my plate, and here's the mayonnaise fried chicken. Right here guys. Alright, I want to take a bite. Grab that piece right there. Or that one. Alright. So all I'm going to do with this is take this lemon. Take this lemon like this. Squeeze some lemon on there. Ooh, Jesus. Just like so. Now this is piping hot because I'm trying to wrap it up because I did taste a piece of the skin and it tastes amazing. OMG. Does it ever. Let me grab a piece of this. Ooh, Jesus. You guys, see if I can focus that in for you. That's your piece right there. Look at that. See how juicy that is? Guys, you must try this. Oh, I'm trying to tell you, it tastes all amazing. I'm going to go ahead and wrap this up because I'm ready to eat now. Scoot that back. This is mayonnaise fried chicken. Alright? So please guys, if you do like this recipe, please share me out. Let everybody know. VELDOGG is in the kitchen cooking up something very good for you guys. Making restaurant quality foods or better. From my home to yours. Please give me a like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And please do not forget to. That's right. Hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I load another recipe from VELDOGG'S Kitchen. Alright? This is what I'm eating tonight. This right here ain't nothing but like some rice-a-roni with some broccoli and stuff like that, and some corn that I chopped up some bell pepper, green and red bell pepper in. That's all I did with that. And I put some, cause you know they don't come like that in the rice-a-roni box, so I just put some broccoli up in there. Alright guys? So, saying that to say this, I'll see you guys next time. Alright? In a minute.